Assalamu alaikum, welcome back in Tech 24 channel. Today I am going to show that how to fix up mobile phone slow performance issues. There are two reasons in your Android phone. First time you go to your auto start apps options. Many different type options are auto start the background process. So fixed up it. Go to your settings, check your auto start options. Now search word you type auto start. It is for simple topics. Okay. Now click on auto start apps. Look here, there are 9 apps are allowed to auto start. While my phone is the background process, this application is automatic battery performance slow and motherboard speed performance slow. So it is unnecessary for a smart user. So I alert Danny, click. And if you want to add another options, an application you use is very most important for your part, so you enable it allow, because it is not possible, it is not good for the phone features. It's all time off. Danny, all applications remove here. Danny, no need auto start options. It is very helpful and good performance in your phone. And check developer options. There are next tricks I process about phone. Now type on your 7 times in your kernel version for a developer options. My versions. Okay, no need, you are already developer. So I am already developer, so I no need this here 7 time tricks. Now check additional settings and look here, search developer options. So I need additionally settings, additional settings. Now look here, is the developer options. Find developer options process. Look under scroll, it is all time available developer options on. Now check on, look here, background process limit is standard limit here. So now I fixed it, no background process. It is the most important high speed and high performance for your phone. Now click on no background process. When you fix up this, there are too many settings in your phone. You are feel the comfortable useful in your Android applications or other facilities. Thank you. If this tutorial helpful for you, please stay connected with us. Thank you.